Hey everybody, I just thought I'd make this video as an introduction to Python. And I don't mean this Python, the snake. I mean this Python, the code Python. Yeah. So Python is a programming language. Stuff that computers use to run. And most of the apps that you're using today. Okay everybody, so we will also be doing how to install Python. I'll be teaching you how to do that as well. So yeah, let's hop to it. Okay, now we have to install Python. I already have a bookmark of it. So then you click that, then you go to downloads, you click here, and then you will drag it onto your desktop here. Okay then we open it up, then you click install now. Okay, so installing, then it says setup is successful, then you close it, then you open the search menu and you search IDLE, and then you open up idle, and here you go, a perfect codable Python. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye, see you soon.